So, good evening. Welcome to Durga Soft Online Training. Welcome to Durga Soft Online Training and welcome to data structures. Okay, welcome to data structures and algorithms. Data structures and algorithms with Java. Okay, so we will call it as DSA, DSA with Java. Data structures and algorithms with Java. So myself, K. Prakash Babu, having 15 plus years of experience as a trainer. Okay, I worked in various engineering colleges as a technical trainer. So for enhancing the skills for the students in with respect to placement activities. Okay, and I trained various students and in the training institutions. Now from the past 3 years, I am in DurgaSoft. So that's all about myself. I don't want to prolong. And so anyway, once if you connect with me, you'll get more information about that. And coming to this session, okay, I think already before registering itself, I think you gone through that poster, information, brochure, everything. Directly, I'm going to start our course details. So what is this course? What we are going to cover in this in detail, we are going to see. See the title of the course. The title of the course is nothing but data structures. Okay, data structures. So and algorithms, data structures and algorithms with Java. With Java, this batch is a DSA JB. I'm going to use the word. We have created one code for that, which is nothing but a DSA. Okay, Java with batch. Which batch it is? Almost 6 batches completed, sir. This is the 7th batch. Today only I completed the 6th batch in the morning timings. This is the 7th batch DSA with Java batch 7. Okay. Next, coming to this fees. So what is the fees for this particular batch is rupees 1500 is nothing but fees for this data structures and algorithms batch. Okay. Yeah, please wait. I will give 1 second. There are some queries. So if you are facing any audio issues, please log out and log in. Okay. So I think my voice is very clear and loud, I think so. Rahul, please
Yes, sir.
log out and log in. Please log out and log. Yeah, right. Right. Now this is not, yeah, please be on mute. Please be on mute when I'm speaking. So this is nothing but what is the fees this batch. So what about the duration? What about the duration of this course? So it is nothing but a 2 months course, sir. Around September and October. These 2 months I will take to finish this course. Okay. Don't worry, September is already started. No worries. We will complete by the third week of October. We can wind up. Okay. Next and after that, very, very important, sir, timings. See, this is a add-on batch. Our regular class timings are from 9:15 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. sir. Our regular class timings are from 9:15 p.m. to 10:30. But the demos will be there from 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. Only 1 week. Only 1 week. Only 1 week. So this week complete, we are going to have the classes from 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. Only this week. Only this week. Okay. So then from the next week onwards, your classes will be there from 9:15 to 10:30. Okay. Maybe I think Monday there is a festival, I think so. So if I'm not wrong, right? Monday festival is there. 1 second, let me check.
I think it's Tuesday.
Festival is Tuesday. Oh, then Monday class is there. Okay, Monday class is there. So, yeah, up to Friday we are going to have the classes from 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. up to Friday. From today to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. These 5 days we have classes from 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. Okay, and Monday we are going to start a class with 9:15. Why? Because already one batch is started at 9:15. That batch is started already, it is going. Whatever concepts I have given for them, I will cover for you in this 1 week. Slowly I am taking classes for the 9:15 batch students. So whatever concepts I covered for them, that syllabus will be matched for you people, don't worry. From Monday we will have our regular classes with the timings 9:15. This is very very important point, sir. In every demo I will highlight this point. So our regular classes will be there from 9:15 to 10:30 p.m. So from Monday onwards. Okay. This is very, very important. 9:30 to 10:30. No, no. 9:15 to 10:30, sir. Okay. Yeah, see, 9:15 means almost it will take some 5 minutes delay for me to start. Why? Because already we have another batch is there from 8 o'clock. So it will take up to 9:10 like that. So definitely I will start by 5 minutes delay. So 9:20 like that I will start. Please try to adjust and join at okay. Maybe I will take some revision. See, whatever I discussed in the previous class, I will revise minimum 5 minutes time it will take for that. So almost it will be equal to 9:25 like that. Got it, Saurabh? You can. Yeah. Ashish, please wait. I will give the complete information. Then, so please make sure the timings of this regular batch is from the timings of this regular batch is from 9:15 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. from Monday onwards. But this entire week we have demos from 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. You can use the same link, whatever you have joined today. You can use the same link for attending all these 5 demos. Next, and after that, sir, if you are okay with this, and if I want to get registered for this, no problem. We have a admin team is there. So 720, so 721 2427. You can contact to this number, or you can go with 9642. Okay, 212143. You can contact to this number, or you can reach out to DurgaSoft online training. Okay, DurgaSoft online training at gmail.com. You can contact any one of these numbers. Okay. Next, sir, what about demos? How many demos will be there? I told already one complete week. You can expect 5 demos. 5 demos. So what about the content, or what about the resource, whatever you are providing? See, we are providing running notes. Running notes will be provided. Initially, it will be there in the text format, but once if the batch got completed, that entire text file I will convert it into PDF and then I will show. Next, and after that, for this batch, I am planning for taking interview questions. So this interview questions will be there. So this PDF I am going to share for you people. Next, and after that, even videos access will be given. But this is not a downloadable videos. So you will get a 6 months access. So from the date of registration, suppose if you registered today, so they will start giving access from today onwards. Every day, whatever class that we have taken, that video support will be there for you. So maximum by end of the night. Okay, because our team is working for even night shift also. So whatever class I have taken from 9:15 to 10:30, maybe 11 o'clock or 11:30 like that, our admin team are going to upload the video on the same day. So this access will be given for 6 months from the date of registration. So you can attend the live classes if you have a time. Otherwise, you can go through the recordings, and whenever you have a time, you can join in the live session. Okay. And please make sure that I am going to take the classes on Saturday and Sunday also. So regularly I won't take, but occasionally minimum 2 or 3 sessions I will take on weekends, because the topic demands. There is one concept is there called a linked list. I have to continue that linked list at a stretch. So because to create interest on that linked list and to make it very simple manner, definitely I have to spend some time on the weekends. That's why. So some classes, some 3 topics are there, 3 to 4 topics are there. Those topics compulsory I have to take it on. A special long session must be required. So in that cases, I am going to take on weekends also. Please be prepared for that. Okay. Next, sir, people are asking what is a prerequisite? What is a prerequisite for this course? Very simple, sir. Compulsory you should know Java, especially core Java, or basics of Java is also sufficient. Basics of Java is also sufficient. Okay, because we are going to compile the program, we are going to run the program. If you know how to compile Java program, how to run Java program, that is a sufficient basic skeleton syntax. Because whatever part, logical part we are going to implement, compulsory I have to show a proof. Suppose if you take a data structure called stack, how that stack is going to work in the real time, I need to take some examples and I want to demonstrate. For that, we have to use one programming language, right? That's why it is called as Java. So compulsory, you should have a knowledge in Java. Otherwise, it will become very difficult for you. At least if you know the basics, don't worry, I will give some guidance. So while taking, even when I am taking the classes, if you are getting any queries, you can feel free to ask. Okay. Next and after that, very, very important, sir. So very, very important. Please listen carefully. Sir, I am okay with this. So I want to register this course immediately. But I need to see where your previous classes are there. So in our YouTube channel, already we uploaded the videos, sir. Okay. In our YouTube channel, already we uploaded the videos, like previous class videos are there. Just you can go through that whenever you require. Just have a look once. So this is nothing but the video link. You can see. So total how many videos are there? 5 videos are there. Okay, 1 hour 2 minutes, 1 hour 16 minutes, 47 minutes, 1 hour 8 minutes, 50 minutes. The total, whatever I am trying to explain, it is already there. Okay, but of course, even in a different style, I will demonstrate for you people. This is the previous batch demo sessions, whatever we have. So if you want, just you can go through this. I am sharing on the chat. I am sharing on the chat. Okay. So next and after that, coming to the syllabus. But before moving to the syllabus, what we are going to discuss, I will explain the syllabus in today's session in detail. Okay. So before moving to that, can you please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this, whatever I covered, like regarding this course or regarding the timings? Any doubts that you have up to this?
Sir,
Hmm.
means I'm working right now, so my timing is 12 to 9 office
Okay.
time. So
Okay.
I think videos are there, so I can able to do that also.
Yes, sir. But whenever
So
you have a time, better
yes,
to attend. Okay.
yes. On weekend I can able to attend, but can I ask the doubt session on means any channel to connect with you?
Yes, we will create a WhatsApp group, sir. Whenever you
Okay,
have a
okay,
doubt, directly you can call me through
okay,
WhatsApp
okay,
or you can put a voice message. Suppose if I'm in class, I can't attend the calls. So yeah, at the time, just you can, suppose if you are practicing, just you can send that screen. You can take from your mobile, take a pic and send it to me. Just to put a voice message. Sir, this is the problem what I'm getting. So
okay, okay.
definitely I will rectify that. I will give suggestions on that, or you can collect all your doubts, put it into a stack, and yeah, whenever you have a time, just connect in the regular class link. And if you give me a chance, I will close the session by 10 minutes before, and we will spend some time for the doubts clarification. We have so many ways are there. We will.
Yes, sir, okay, sure.
Offline session is not there, Shashi. I'm in home. I'm taking the classes from my home, so there is no offline. Okay. Can we discuss syllabus? Yeah, definitely, Shubham. It is just started now, right? 10 minutes completed. I will explain the syllabus. Don't worry. Shashi, I'm learning core Java. Yeah, it is sufficient. To pay the fee, do you need to contact those numbers? Yeah, if you want, you can contact those numbers. They will give the guidance like how to make the payment, all these things. That Google Pay number, Phone Pay number, or any credit card information, payment details. So they will share some links if you want. For that only I have given those contact numbers. Okay. Right. So I think this information is clear for you. Can I go for syllabus?
Yes.
Right. See, before moving to the syllabus, so one sincere information for you people, one sincere request from my side. If any final year student is there in this class, I mean in this demo, or if any pre-final year students are there, even the people who are working, sir, I want to switch to some product based companies, or I want to enhance my programming skills. I know Java from the past few years. I am working on Java. Now I need to go for in depth. Okay. Or I have a zeal to learn new things, new concepts in the programming domain, so to sustain in the IT industry. Like if you have n number of queries, for all that queries, this course is going to be helpful, sir, because you are going to learn data structures and algorithms in a different way. Okay. So you can see the price is also very less. Almost it is equal to 3 movie tickets. So if you ignore those 3 movies from your brain, you can spend that amount here, and every day 1 hour, 1.5 hour class you can enjoy like anything. So you need to put the complete concentration, sir, so you will become expert in the data structures. With this knowledge, you can crack next level interviews also, like advanced data structures you can learn. Okay, you can crack some interviews. So top MNC companies, they are going to put the questions on DSA only. So you can crack such type of things like lead code challenges you can solve. For all that, the input is from this course, sir. Okay. Someone is asking, sir, instructor name, who will teach us, course duration? Sir, I have given the complete information. Myself is a trainer, K. Prakash Babu. Okay. So just I think you have joined very late. Right. So now let us go for the syllabus, sir. I request everyone better to get registered and enjoy this course. Okay. Yeah. Shubham, he is asking, I am from a Python background. Can I implement the same logic with Python? Yes, we have data structures and algorithms with Python is also there. Okay. So if you want, you can continue in this batch, or better, please wait for 1 or 2 weeks and we will announce another batch for Python. In the evening times, you can. Okay. Uh, Saurabh, sir, one request during discussion, please provide how to think about how, see, that will comes for real-time problems, Saurabh. When you are seeing the any problem, which data structure is suitable, that you have to think. So that facility won't be provided in this course, because it is something like Java. How you are going to learn Java, concept by concept, right? In the same way here also it will be, but up to certain limit I will provide, but you have to do that. Okay. Yeah. Which language we will implement? Java. Sir, which is the best, Java or Python? Concept is the same, syllabus is same, but the implementations are going to be changed. Here I will concentrate purely on Java. Okay. But in DSA with Python, same syllabus will be there. Not even single chapter is going to be removed. Syllabus is the same, but the implementation will be there in Python. Okay. Right, sir. We will discuss all the queries later. Please let me start my syllabus. Okay. Sir, coming to the syllabus of this course. It is a beautiful syllabus. We have designed in such a way that everyone can able to understand this particular concept, sir. At the very beginning, sir, we are going to see introduction. Introduction to DS, data structures and algorithms. What is mean by algorithm? What is mean by algorithm? How you can able to implement the algorithm? Why we need to go for algorithm first of all? So without algorithm, is it possible to solve the problems? Suppose if I want to develop any algorithm, what inputs must be required? So what are the different types of algorithms? So what kind of problems required which algorithm? So that introduction part we are going to see. Next, and after that, data structures. So what operations we are going to do on the data structures? which data structure is suitable for what type of problem. Next, list of data structures in depth we are going to see at a top level. Next, second one, analysis. Analysis of algorithms. See, if you are taking any algorithm, analysis of algorithm is very, very important. Something like a complexity calculation. So see, I have a small problem is there. Like I want to find out a maximum of four numbers. In how many ways we can solve that problem? You have around 4 to 5 ways are there to solve that problem. So for a single problem, when we have multiple solutions are there, which will give the same output. Among those five answers or among those five solutions, so which problem, I mean, which program is best? So we have to analyze that one. So generally what we are going to think, sir, the algorithm which is going to take less space when compared with other algorithms is the best. At the same time, the algorithm which is going to execute very fastly when compared with the remaining algorithms. Of course, every algorithm is going to take some time, but you need to see among all these five, which one is going to take less space, which one is going to take less time. We have to analyze. For that, some theoretical knowledge must be required. We have some notations are there, like big O notation, omega notation, theta notation. So worst case analysis, average case analysis, best case analysis, linear time calculation, quadratic time calculation, logarithmic time calculation. So all these things are there, sir, that we are going to see in this analysis of algorithms. Okay. Next, and after that, for the people who are coming from Java background freshly, sir, we will see some sample algorithms, and even we are going to see the implementation of these algorithms. So we are going to discuss around some 17 programs we are going to discuss. Okay. If you want, just I will show you those 17 programs. You can see. So these are the 17 programs that we are going to cover. So in the third chapter, okay, so sample algorithms and implementations, how to find addition of two numbers with very beginning, how to check whether the given number is even or odd. We have two solutions are there for this. So which one is going to be best, we will discuss. How to find a maximum of two numbers, how to swap two integer values, finding maximum of 3 and maximum of 4, sum of n natural numbers, factorial of the given number, prime number application, perfect number application, how to extract the digits from the given number, how to calculate reverse, palindrome, Armstrong, strong number, Fibonacci sequence, Fibonacci sequence. Sir, what advantage we are going to get with the help of these 17 programs? Very simple. Whatever core Java knowledge that you have, just we are going to revise with this. Because in this we will use while loop, for loop, do while loop, if conditions, functional programming. Okay, so object creation, how to run, everything we are going to see here, so that you will get some kind of revision for the next coming chapters. It will be very easy for us. So sample algorithms and implementations we are going to cover in the third part. In my point of view, it is a completely something like revision. So next, and after that, in the fourth chapter, we are going to talk about a very beautiful data structure, which is nothing but array data structure. Okay, on this continuation of array, we are going to see one-dimensional array programs, and we are going to see two-dimensional array programs. Okay, so something like two-dimensional array programs means what? I can say it is matrices. Okay, so next, and after that, we are going to see some CRUD operations on arrays, like how to create array, how to read the elements from array, how to perform update operation, how to delete. Sir, I have an array with 6 elements. Can I add seventh element? Yes, manually it is possible, sir. But once if you create an array, its size is fixed. But since it is a data structures, we are going to implement by our own. We can increase. Okay, that part we will see. So next, and after that, even java.util. So there is one predefined arrays class is there to perform searching operation, sorting operation, replacement, copying the cells. So comparison. For that, we have some predefined arrays class is there. So which is present in the util package. We will see in detail about this. So around some 20 or 15 methods are there in this. Everything I will explain. Next and after that, array rotations. Array and matrix rotations we are going to cover here. Okay, matrix rotations. Sir, if you rotate a matrix, how it will be? 90 degrees rotation, okay, 180 degrees rotation, okay, 270 degrees rotation, 360 degrees rotation, like that, clockwise, anti-clockwise we will see. And array rotations also we are going to see. Suppose if your array is having 1 2 3 4, if you rotate 2 bits towards left, what will happen? In the right, if you rotate 3 bits, what will happen? For that, some brute force algorithms, something like we have various techniques are there. I will explain. This is nothing but array data structure in depth we are going to see, sir. Next and after that, we are going to talk about string data structure. Okay, string data structure we are going to discuss, and even we will see programs on strings. See, we are going to plan around 50 programs purely on strings, sir. Okay, so 50 programs purely on strings. So what are the various operations that we can perform on strings? So some inbuilt methods also there, right? So where the memory will be created, SCP area, heap area, string buffer, string builder, string tokenizer. So on that basis, what are the different operations we can perform? So even we are going to see the CRUD operations on strings. Like if I have a string, can I add a new element into the string? New character? Yes, we can do that. That part we will see. So this is nothing but the basic. In every programming language, these things will be very common. So now after this, we are going to talk about recursion and applications. In these applications also almost around 15 to 20 programs on the recursion we are going to see. Okay, recursion. Recursion means what? A method which is called by itself is called as what? Recursion. We are going to see how the recursion is implemented, how we can perform various operations on recursion. In depth we are going to see. Next and after that, on the basis of recursion, we have, so backtracking concept is there. Backtracking means what? When you are calling the recursion, sometimes if the requirement is not matched, you can come back. So that is called as what? Backtracking. Maybe in the tomorrow, I will explain the theoretical principle how this backtracking is going to work. Okay, so here as of now we are going to solve two problems on this. One is n queens problem, another one is a sudoku problem. Maybe I am expecting one more problem for you people, so I will add that problem. Okay, so backtracking, that much beautiful application what we have in the data structures. Next and after that, we are going to see various sorting algorithms. So like I think we have selection sort is there. Next and after that, bubble sort is there. Next and after that, insertion sort is there. So next and after that, radix sort is there. Next and after that, counting sort is there. Like various sorting techniques are there. So even divide and conquer, this is also a part of data structures, sir. So here we are going to see quick sort, how quick sort is going to work, merge sort, how it is going to work, even binary search, how it is going to work. It is based on divide and conquer strategy. Next and after that, we are going to see searching algorithms also. So mainly we are focusing on linear search and binary search. Even in the strings also, we have different searching techniques are there. That part we will discuss later. This is nothing but 17 subtopics what we have under this DSA. So next and after that, yeah, next and after that, you can able to see. So we are going to talk about bit manipulations. Bit manipulations. See, generally, if you are writing any program, compulsory every instruction and every operation should be performed with respect to binary only. That we know very well. Even though you are giving integer data or you are performing addition operation, internally inside the mission, it should be evaluated in the form of binary one. So to do that, some special operators are there where inside the mission. But if our language is providing any operators which will directly work with the bits, then definitely efficiency of the program is going to be improved like anything, because we are simplifying the task of the mission. So such a type of operators are there in every programming language, which is nothing but bitwise operators. By using the bitwise operators, so many calculations we can reduce. That part we are going to cover in this bit manipulations. In the bit manipulations, we will see in detail about what are the various operations that we can able to perform, how to set the bits, how to clear the bits. So how you can convert a lowercase string to uppercase string by using bitwise operators, how to convert from uppercase to lowercase. So how to check even number or odd number, how you can check two power values, exponential value calculations. Okay, incrementing the number by 1 unit. Like around 5 to 6 applications are there. Main applications are there that I will explain here. See, next and after that, we are going to see dynamic programming. Next and after that, we are going to talk about greedy algorithms. Okay, dynamic programming, and then we are going to talk about the greedy algorithms. Maybe these two terms are somewhat new for you, but in the real time, we are going to use like these algorithms. So in the real time, we are going to use in every situation, sir. But if I am explaining now, you people are going to get confused. So we will see that in future how you are going to discuss. Next, main topics are very, 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 very important. Our main agenda, linked list. See, around some 20 operations I am going to explain on the linked list, sir. If you want, just I will show you my previous batch running notes so that you can get some idea. So just a second, linked list. Yes, you can see. Still it is. Yes. So we have four types of linked list are there. Single linked list, double linked list, circular single linked list, circular double linked list. I am going to cover single program for everything. So these are the operations that I am going to perform. How to create the linked list. So how to create node class, inserting from the beginning, last, at any location, sorting on insertion data, deletion from various operations, display operation, search operation, reversing the linked list, removing the duplicates, copying the links, comparing nth node from the beginning, nth node from the ending, palindrome list or not. Like that, various operations we are going to cover. So finally, I will share that PDF document. Once if the class got completed, you can take a printout of that document and you can practice the programs. So it will be something like this. Just a second, I will show you. You can see it is nothing but a single linked list. Okay. So last month, the 13th, I have taken class for them. So insert at first, how it will be, insert at last, what is the time complexity for every algorithm. Okay, like we are going to see in detail, step by step, I will explain. Not only for single linked list, similarly, the same style is applicable for double linked list also. Okay, in depth, we are going to see on this linked list, sir. In depth, we are going to see on this linked list. So that's why I told, right, one separate session must be required on weekends. This is one of the situation. Okay, linked list, and then tree data structure is there, and then string data structure. For these three, I will take the weekends. I told already. So string data structure, linked list data structure, tree data structure. For these three, I will take special class, sir. Okay. So after this linked list, we are going to talk about stack data structure. Okay, which is going to follow last in first out technique. So queue data structure, which is going to use a first in first out technique. Okay, so queue data structure. Next and after that, hash table data structure, where we are going to use some hashing all these things. Okay, so even here I will introduce hashing also. So next and after are going to talk about tree data structure. Okay, tree data structure. So in detail about this tree. Next and after that, very very important, priority queue, or sometimes it is called as heap data structure. So next and after that, we are going to talk about the graph data structure. So these are nothing but so 28 chapters we are going to cover in our data structures and algorithms with Java. So even sometimes I will explain in detail with images. See, you can see here priority queue concept I explained with the help of some images. Heap data structure, how you are going to implement. So next and after that, while performing insert operation, how it will be. Okay. So when you are writing, deleting operation, how it will be shifted. Like with the help of diagrams in detail, we are going to see. So how to perform this heap operation, all these things. Even I'm going to share the images like this. You can see linked list related diagrams are there. So how you are going to break the chain. So how you are going to combine with that. So in detail, I'm going to take the screenshot of this and I'm going to upload. Okay. So whenever you are watching the video, you will get more clarity on this. Okay, this is nothing but what we have, sir. Total 20 topics we are going to discuss in depth. Okay, so hope you people got a very clear. Yes. So the payment details are there in my chart window. Just I'm going to share now. If anyone wants to take the screenshot of that chart window, just you can take. Okay. And some people are asking the questions are what about um, linked list I told, right? Search operations we will see. Try data structure, I may not, because here in the tree we are going to talk about so normal tree, binary search tree, AVL tree. But in this batch, I want to add one more tree, whether it may be red black tree or B tree or B plus tree. Maybe I will add one tree, sir. Okay, try may not be, but maybe we will see if time permits, but I am not giving conclusion now. Okay. Sir, any doubt on the syllabus what we are going to cover? If you are having any queries on the syllabus, you can feel free to ask your questions. Now it is your turn. Can we get a chance to learn how we can calculate complexity by using log? Yeah, but in depth we want to go, sir. Okay, because calculation of time complexity is not that much required for us. Because in the research and development it may be useful, but as a programmers we want to put more concentration on that, because for that automatically tools are there, so we can able to imagine and we can able, it is a completely imagination process. Okay, that's why we want to focus in depth on that. Can we weekend class timings? Probably same timings will be there in the evening sessions. Okay, weekend timings also will be same on evening. After 7
Uh,
it will be there. After
uh,
7 it will be there.
Sir, means you are going to explain line by line code, or means you are preparing the code already, or
Oh,
at the
no, no,
time
no,
of
no, no,
explanation?
no, 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 no. I will type each and every line.
Okay. Means explaining and also typing same
Yes,
time.
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. First, I will write the function name and I will explain the theory concept. Then, simultaneously on the same screen, by seeing the diagram, we will write the code. You will
Okay.
see, sir, another 2 days are there, right? 2 to 3 days. You will see.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In interview, they are asking which one? No, no. In the interview, on what purpose they are going to ask? See, uh, suppose they will ask you to calculate, or they will ask you to explain how you are going to calculate time complexity for binary search, or they will ask how you can able to measure time complexity for inserting the node at the ending of the linked list. So like that they will ask. So you are in a position to respond for that after completion of this course. Okay. But calculation of time and space complexities on the rough figure you can able to tell. Like if you say insertion at the ending. See, if you want to insert the node at the ending, what you have to do in your linked list, if 100 nodes are there, you need to go step by step, right? First node, second node, like you have to move up to last node. Then you need to bring that node. It requires how many steps, sir? In this example, 100. Maybe tomorrow 200 will be there. Tomorrow 300 will be there. It is nothing but n times. N times. Okay. Luckily, if you are having only one node, it is very simple. If you are having 50 nodes, it is very somewhat okay. But if you have 100 nodes are there, then you have to visit 100 nodes. You don't have any choice. That is scale worst case. In the worst case, the complexity is big O of n. Why it is big O of n? I told. So we are going to traverse the total tree. I mean total list. So because it is having n elements, the time complexity is big O of n. Like that you have to explain. Got it? We will be able to finish all this content 2 months. That is 60 classes. Huh? Very good question. Yeah, we can. At the very beginning, slowly we will start, sir. But once if you complete these arrays and strings recursion, you will get clarity. Okay. Remaining things will become very easy. See here, one small trick is there. If you know recursion in detail, in depth, if you understand recursion, almost this total DSA syllabus will become almost a small chota concept. Got it? Yeah, because tree data structure, graph data structure are completely depending on the recursion. One simple example I will explain. One simple story I will explain, sir. Listen. If you have a tree like this is something like a tree. Just assume at top level, sir. Like this we have. It is nothing but a tree. Like this, you can have any connections. Even infinite connections may be there. But the technique what you are using for this will be the same for this, same for this, same for this. Is it a concept of recursion or not? Yes. If you have a template, applying that template over multiple documents is called as recursion, repetitive process. Okay. So this principle we are going to use in detail in the tree data structure and the graph data structure. Okay. So there ends. So almost you can imagine I'm going to take 2 hours concept, 2 hours to explain tree data structure. Okay. Like at the very beginning, it may take some time, but once if you came to the streamline, it will become very easy for us. Don't worry. Any other queries? Sir, I am having 9 to 10 p.m. UA classes. Can I attend this class? No. Maybe you will miss because so 9:15 I will start this one. Okay. Better if you are willing, you can continue with the recordings. No problem. Is we are going to have some practice questions after every session? No. This particular thing itself is going to give so much of homework for you. See, learning data structure is not that much easy. What you are going to think. If I explain linked list concept, your brain will become like anything. Parallelly, you have to practice every day. Then only you can able to understand and you can inject these concepts into your brain. That's why first, if you are clear with all these, then you can go for taking the practice programs from the internet and doing. I will provide links for that. You can do by your own. Okay. If you are doing practice here, then it will take minimum 1 year to complete this course. Okay. In my core Java, I have not completed OOPS concepts. Yeah, no problem. OOPS concepts is not that much required. We want to go for OOPS in detail. Right. Any other queries, friends? Please confirm. Yes, please confirm. If everything is okay, I will start at least one program today. Sir, can I know when it will be started next batch in the evening? Maybe it takes some time, sir, because this is the fresh batch, right? At least 70% syllabus should be completed for this batch. Then only we will think about the next batch. Maybe another 1.5 month like that. Sir, we will get a new link after payment. Yes. If you are okay with this content immediately, you can get registered. And already some classes started for 9:15 p.m. So you can ask our admin team to provide that link and so skip these demo classes and attend that. Otherwise, you can go through parallelly both the things because whatever concepts I am explaining for them, I am going to take here itself. What is the actual batch timings? You can see 9:15 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. 9:15 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. is the official timings from the next week. But this week we are going to have the classes from 10 to 11. This week we are going to have the classes from 10 to 11. I can say only demos. Got it?
Okay, means this batch is for only demo purpose, right?
Yes, yes. Because already we
And
have
we will, after
started the
that, we will
batches.
merge with that batch which is
Yes,
already
yes.
started.
Yes,
Right.
yes. The timings are 9:15. Again, I am repeating, sir. The timings of the batch is 9:15 to 10:30. Only the demo sessions will be there at 10 to 11. Any other queries?
I have two questions. Like, I have knowledge of CoreJava, but not about some libraries. So, if you use any like libraries on that deep, is you will explain like the basic
Yes,
concepts of
yes.
it?
See, I will explain, sir. See,
Mhm.
libraries we won't use here. Like maybe scanner class we are going to use it to read the dynamic data from the
Mhm.
user. Except that we want to use any predefined libraries. If any chance is there to use that libraries, definitely I will explain as a part of DSA. So when I am
Mhm.
explaining, if you are getting any query, just you can feel free, or if you are feeling shy, just you can put a message in the chat window. It is a private message, sir. So only I can able to see. I won't use your name. I will explain that concept.
Got it.
So
And also,
don't hesitate to ask doubts.
sure, sure. And also, like if we pay today, we can join that another session, that another batch you are currently running.
Yes, you can attend, but try to follow any one thing, sir. Uh, if you are okay, then I don't have any issue because so whatever content I have taken for them, I will take for this batch from the tomorrow. Okay, so that is your choice. If you want, you can get registered for that batch. Ask the admin to share that link, and you can attend that classes. Only for demos, you can attend this class. That is up to you. But anyway, on next week, both batches will be covered with some topics, and we will start a fresh topic on the Monday. Better you can go through the demos, sir. Later you can merge with that batch. Don't be hurry. Okay.
Sir, after our demos up
Hmm.
till 10 p.m. or 11, whatever,
Hmm.
after that we are going to merge with 9:15 batch. Then they
Yes.
are in
Yes.
front of us,
No, madam. That's what I am telling. I am going to map that syllabus for both.
but I
Okay.
but we will learn means our batch means if this is a new batch, right?
This is the
So
new
this
batch. Whatever topics I covered for them, I will cover for you people in this 1 week time period. I am going to give break for them for another 2 or 3 days like that. We have our own plans, madam. Don't worry.
ah,
So for them, whatever I covered, I will finish for you and then see very simple. I
so
have completed third chapter for them.
okay,
Today I started first chapter for them.
okay,
Tomorrow I'm going to take parallelly for you people. Some 2 or 3 programs I will cover and I will take one theory part. Like that I will cover for you. Are you getting my point?
yes, sir.
So my
Okay,
intention is to complete third chapter and first chapter for both the 10 o'clock batch and 9:15 batch. From Monday onwards, they will combine and I'm going to start these complexity related things. Got it?
Yes, got it. Now I'm okay. Yeah. And
Yeah, right.
after that, we don't have any break, right? Only
Yeah,
this.
no. Yes, yes. We don't have any break. It will be continued.
Yes, sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Saturday and Sunday, there won't be any class, madam, but occasionally we will take. So I will inform you minimum 3 to 4 days before to make your schedule.
Yes, sir.
Right. Can I start?
Yes, sir. We are eagerly waiting
Yes, sir.
for it.
Yes, sir.
Right, right. So my plan for this particular class is, so the first chapter and the third chapter, I want to take parallelly. That's why don't get confused. So just I will go through these both simultaneously. Okay, both the things I will take simultaneously. So first I will start this third chapter. So this is nothing but third chapter what we have. We are going to take some sample algorithms and we will see the implementation. No, Saurabh, just one program. Please wait. Another 5 minutes, that's all. So sample programs we are going to cover here. So how many programs are there? Around 17 programs are there. So we will see all these 17 programs one by one. Okay. So first I will start with the first program. Just for your refreshing Java knowledge, just I am going for this. What is the program, sir? We have to implement a program to find addition of two numbers. Now observe carefully. For this, I am going to take a Java program. I think everyone knows what is the skeleton of Java, sir. So do you know every Java program is going to have a class? It is mandatory. Tomorrow I will explain these words meaning. Just as of now, observe. Every Java program should contain one class. So test, any name you can give. And inside this class, so we have main method. That main method signature is nothing but what? Public static void main and within bracket string array arguments. So if I want to print any message, what we have to do within the main method only, just we are going to print system.out.println of hi, something like this I am taking. Is it my Java program or not? Yes, a simple Java program which will print a hi message on the screen. That's all. So already this program got saved. How to run this program? I am going to run my programs from the command prompt. I am going to open command prompt and I will move to the location where we saved our file. Where I saved my file? In the C drive, test folder is there. In that my default location, sir. My default location is test folder. Now I am going to take one command to compile this Java program. What is that command? Is Java C test.java I am going to take. You can see my program compiled successfully. Now you can run the program. How to run? Java space test. Now you can see whatever message that we have taken there, as it is that message got displayed. This is the way just how to run a simple Java program, sir. Okay. So I think everyone just refreshed your Java knowledge. Are you clear with this program? Please confirm.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, so coming to our task, what is the task here that I have given? You can see I need to implement a program to find addition of two numbers. We don't have multiple ways to solve this problem. Just I'm going to define one function. What is that function? Is public static, a method I'm going to define. So which will take two numbers, let it be integer x and y, and it is going to return x plus y. If you understand this from the top level, it is not that much difficult. See, I have add method is there. Just we have to pass two numbers. So this add method is going to take these two numbers and it is performing addition operation. It is returning the result. Since two inputs are integers, output is also integer. So now I am declaring this method as a public because from anywhere we can access this. And second thing, you can see it is a static. Static means what? Java is an object oriented programming language. If you want to access anything from the class, compulsory object concept must be required. But here, just we are testing the program. So I'm not implementing any real-time projects. Just I'm testing whether my add function is going to perfectly working or not. That's why for testing, no need to go for object, all these things. That's why I declared as a static. What is the advantage? Directly we can call that method. Sir, can I call by passing? So triple one comma triple two. Yes, what will happen? So it is going to call add function. X will be considered as a triple one. Y will be considered as a triple two. It will calculate triple one plus triple two, which is nothing but triple three. It will return. If it is returning, what we have to do? We need to catch, right? If someone is throwing a ball, what you have to do? You need to catch that ball. Okay, that's why I'm using inside system.out.println. What is the output that I'm expecting for this? Triple three is the output. Let us recompile the program because we have done some modification. Compulsory, we have to recompile and execute the program and see what will happen. We got a triple three as the result. Like this we have. Sir, once if you define this function, can we perform by changing the numbers? Yes, no problem. Now give triple one, triple three. Now give triple one, triple four. You can see the outputs that we are going to get. So you have defined the task only one time, but you can call that method any number of times whenever you require. Sir, something like just refreshing our knowledge, whatever we have. So how you can implement a program to calculate addition of these two numbers? Please confirm, are you clear with this first program, sir? I think it is very simple and easy. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. Yes, with this knowledge, just happily go and sleep. From tomorrow, we will see few more programs. Tomorrow I will use IntelliJ IDEA to explain the programs. Okay, and parallelly we will cover some theory part related to the algorithms and the data structure part. Okay, right, sir. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed the session. So see you tomorrow with the same timings, 10 o'clock with the same link. And before moving, just please wait. Can you please